Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new business account on Instagram. To begin, go to instagram.com or open the Instagram app on your phone. If you don't already have an account, tap on Sign Up. You can sign in using your phone number or choose to use your email address. After entering your email address, Instagram will send a confirmation code to your email. Enter that code to continue. Next, you will be asked to set a password. Create your password and confirm it. Then you will need to enter your date of birth. After that, enter your full name. Once your name is added, you will be asked to choose a username. After confirming your date of birth and name, select your username again if required. Once all these steps are completed, your Instagram account will be successfully created. Once your account is created, the next step is switching to a business profile. Go to your settings. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Account and choose the option to switch to a professional account. You'll be asked to pick a category that best represents your business, such as a studio or another relevant option. You can also choose whether to display this category on your profile so visitors immediately understand what your business offers. When prompted, select a business account rather than a creator account, as this option is best suited for physical stores or online shops. Instagram will then ask you to add contact information. Enter your business address and phone number, and if you like, enable Instagram's calling feature so people can contact you directly through the app. If you run an international business, you also have the option to connect a WhatsApp business number. You'll then be asked if you want to connect your account to a Facebook business page. If you don't have one yet, you can skip this step and connect it later. Instagram may suggest completing additional profile steps, but the most important things are having a clear bio, a professional profile picture, and a link to your website or booking page. You can also use profile banners to highlight new products or services. With your business account ready, it's time to explore Instagram Insights. By tapping on Insights, you can track how your content is performing. You'll see metrics such as views, likes, shares, and comments, and you can analyze your results over different time ranges. This helps you identify which posts perform best so you can adjust your content strategy accordingly. Insights also provide information about your audience, including age, gender, location, and when they are most active, which can help you decide the best times to post. Finally, if you want to reach an even larger audience, you can run ads on Instagram. The easiest way is by boosting an existing post. Simply select the post you want to promote, tap Boost, choose your target audience, set a budget, and launch the ad. This is a simple and effective way to get your content in front of more potential customers. If you want to start your own business, using your Instagram business account is a smart way to organically drive sales for your business.